back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to have a virtual tour of a fully furnished rental right here in the heart of Houston. This house has 4 bedrooms, it has 2 office space, it has a beautiful outdoor patio, it has a lot of commodities that you're definitely going to enjoy. It's a mix of elegance, family friendly, it's definitely a house for you. So join me while we go into this house and you can check it out with me. House, you'll be greeted by this beautiful living room area, really well decorated with comfortable sofa, a lot of seating for a big family meeting or friends. You have a large screen TV, a smart TV. You also have a nice fireplace right here for those cold Houston nights, which are rare, but they're still there. And you have this beautiful dining area right over here, where you can meet up all your friends, family, and have a lovely meal. Now let's look at the heart of the home, the kitchen. This kitchen has everything you might need. It has all the appliances from a toaster, you have your oven, the stove, you also have a microwave. This is one of the fridge it has, and you have an extra freezer, as you can see. We have all the pots and pans you might need to cook up a storm. And like any good chef knows, we have all the spices here. So this rental is definitely ready for you to move in. We have this beautiful breakfast nook where you can have breakfast with your friends, your family, and have a wonderful time here. All the bedrooms offer you peaceful retreat, comfortable beds, beautiful furnishings. I can also mention that all the bedrooms have their own bathrooms, which is always a luxury to have your own bathroom, of course. And they all have their own TVs. So if you want a moment to yourself and you want that little bit of peace and quiet, definitely this house is for you. Step outside with me and check out this beautiful patio. You can host family gatherings, host with your loved ones, your friends, and you'll definitely have a good time in this sunny Houston weather. Come with me so we can check it out together. So there you have it, a glimpse into the sophisticated 4-bedroom luxury house. If you come to Houston, whether you want to relocate, vacation, visit family or friends, this house is here for you. Fully furnished, the kitchen as you saw was fully equipped, beautiful patio to host with friends and family. So call us or text us. You can find our information at www.hou.co. Till next time.